Welcome to Metercor's Tips and Tricks. Today we'll talk about data visualization and specifically geocoding. So, what is geocoding anyways? Well, it's a form of spatial analysis of your data. It's commonly used in geographic information systems or GIS. It's sort of a way to visualize your data in a pleasant graphical format. Today, most of your data is kept in a flat file like a spreadsheet or a database, and it's rows and rows of technical mumbo-jumbo that only excites an engineer, but not many others. So how do we place data in some meaningful context so that everyone can appreciate it and understand it? These spreadsheets may contain important customer data, information about meters, dates about installation, and other vital statistics, but it's all rather bland to view. Now, I can already hear you say, this all sounds very technical, and it does not sound like something I can do. Maybe it's best we leave it to the engineers to play with. Well, do you realize you might be using geocoding every single day? You may not realize it, but you do. Let's say you're in my neighborhood and you decide, hey, let's stop by and have a coffee. So we go to our favorite mapping program and we type in coffee shops near me, and the map explodes up and shows us a whole bunch of different icons. We click on some of these icons and we say, okay, what's this one here? And it might be, that's not what I want. That's a dry cleaners, or maybe that's a park. I want a coffee shop. Now, then I'll find a coffee shop. Oh, here's one, but it's not open right now. So we go and look for another one. Oh, there's one open with seating, drive-through, everything. So we're all set to go. This is geocoding, and it's done every day. So let's look at some real data. Here's some open data that I acquired off the internet, and it's anonymous data, but it's from the city of Surrey from 2014, so it's a little dated. But here you can see every water meter that is in the city of Surrey, and there's thousands and thousands of them, as you can well see. Now, that's great to geocode them. They're all mapped together, but if we zoom in and have a look at a house specifically, here's a golf course. Let's look at some nice houses backing onto a golf course, and we can explode it and see that all the data comes up, and there's a lot of information we can put there. We can also attach photos, and as you can see, when the photo was taken, they put a cone where the meter is. So that's very helpful if you're out in the field and you need to locate again. Let's look at another house. As homes mature, so does the trees and bushes and all the landscaping. So it can hide meters later, and it's very helpful then to be able to find them when we need them. So that is geocoding. Anyone can do it. Metercor can help you too. So give us a call. Until the next time, this is Michael Martin.